India, a land of vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes, is also home to some of the most extraordinary creatures on Earth. From the deserts of Rajasthan to the lush forests of Assam, India's wildlife is as diverse as its people. Today on Stories TV documentary number 1, we bring you 7 unique animals of India that the world should know about. Stay with us till the end because some of these animals are so rare you might never have heard of them before. I'm Venant, and before we dive in, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the bell icon, like, share, and tell us in the comments what you'd love to see in our next documentary. Let's begin this wild journey together. Hey guys, have you ever wondered what the tallest bird looks like? Well, if you're watching this video, I guess you must have been wondering about the same thing. Today, let's take a peek at the 7 unique animals of India that the world should know about. These animals are so strange that they don't even look real, yet they're very much alive and kicking. Here's the catch: you won't find them just anywhere. So listen up carefully and try not to miss any detail. And who knows, maybe you'll spot one of these magnificent animals on your next trip to India. Number 1. The Lion-Tailed Macaque. If you thought baboons were weird-looking, then just wait until you see the Lion-Tailed Macaque. This guy looks like a monkey that's been photoshopped to look like a lion. With a silver-white mane surrounding a jet-black face, this primate looks straight out of a fantasy novel. Sadly, this gorgeous animal is close to extinction with less than 2,500 individuals left in the wild. The lion-tailed macaque can only be found in the Western Ghats and the hills of southern India. These monkeys spend most of their time eating and sleeping. When they're not doing that, they're hanging out in trees and swinging around. Number 2. The Great Indian Bustard. The Great Indian Bustard is the world's tallest flying bird, standing over a meter tall and weighing more than 10 kilograms. Their long legs allow them to walk over tall grass in search of food. The bird mostly eats seeds, but it also feeds on reptiles, rodents, and insects. In recent years, the Great Indian Bustard has become very rare, with fewer than 200 left in the world today. So if you want to see one of these birds, you better hurry. Number 3. The Indian Pangolin. The Indian pangolin is a strange-looking mammal that's covered in protective scales made of keratin. These scales form a hard shell around the pangolin's body, which helps to protect it from predators. When threatened, the Indian pangolin curls up into a tight ball, making itself even more difficult to eat. Despite their unusual appearance, pangolins are very shy and gentle creatures. They feed on ants and termites and spend their days looking for food. Unfortunately, the Indian pangolin is the most trafficked mammal in the world. They're often hunted for their meat, which is considered a delicacy in some parts of Asia. Pangolins are also killed for their scales, which are used in traditional medicine. Number 4. The Gooty Sapphire tarantula. This blue tarantula is not just rare, it's also endangered. The spider is found in the forests of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Where it lives in burrows, it digs in the ground. The Gooty Sapphire tarantula is a large spider, with a body length of up to 10 centimeters. It's also one of the most beautiful spiders in the world. Its shimmering blue color makes it a prized possession among collectors, which is why it's also one of the most trafficked spiders in the world. Number 5. The purple frog. This little frog doesn't look like any other frog you've ever seen. With its strange, bulbous body and pointed snout, the purple frog looks more like a baby elephant than a frog. That's because the purple frog is actually a member of the ancient family of frogs known as the Microhylidae. These frogs are found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. They usually live in burrows they dig in the ground. The purple frog is a rare species that was only discovered in 2003. It's also known as the mummy frog because it lays its eggs in underground nests. The eggs hatch into tiny tadpoles that look like miniature dragons. Number 6. The Nilgiri Tahr. This mountain goat is found in the Western Ghats of India. It's a large goat with a heavy body and short, thick fur. The Nilgiri Tahr is a symbol of resilience. That's because it can survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. It's also one of the most endangered goats in the world, with fewer than 2,500 individuals left in the wild. But thanks to conservation efforts, the number of these goats has increased in recent years. Today, the Nilgiri Tahr can be found in several national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Number 7. The Dugong. The dugong is a large marine mammal that lives in the coastal waters of India and other tropical countries. It's also known as the sea cow. The dugong is a herbivore, which means it only eats plants. It spends its days grazing on seagrass meadows and algae. Dugongs are social creatures who live in groups of up to 10 animals. They usually have one calf every 2 to 3 years. The dugong is a vulnerable species. That's because it faces threats from pollution, hunting, and habitat destruction. But thanks to conservation efforts, the dugong is making a comeback. Today, they can be found in several protected areas throughout their range. The dugong is an important species that plays an important role in maintaining healthy marine ecosystems. By protecting the dugong, we are protecting the ocean and all of its inhabitants. Keep sharing our videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, share, and comment below what you'd like us to cover next. Your support helps us bring educational documentaries to people across the world. We love you all, and we'll meet again tomorrow with another amazing documentary. I'm Venant, and this is Stories TV Documentary Book 1. Goodbye. See you again. Bye-bye.